Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Let's grab a marker or a pencil, and we're going to get started in the center page along the top with the nose. So we're going to start on the top right side. We're going to draw a C shape, going up, coming around, and then up towards the right. Now from the center of that C, we're going to move over towards the side, just curve the eyes, going out and then down. So she's closing her eyes. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom, add a curve for the mouth, starting on the left, and down, across the middle, and then up. Add a small bracket on the end. Now from the center of the nose, let's step up and draw the edge of the hair. We're going to come down and then up towards the left. Go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Now I'm going to bring this down across the side of the head and then out towards the ear. From here, let's curl the ear, going all the way around and then back in. Now we're going to go back up to the top left side. We're going to curl the hair, coming down. I just want to pull this up and in, and then bend that down. Let's step up, draw the top of the head. Go up, across, and then down on top of the ear. Now underneath this curl, we're going to draw the side of the head. We're going to bend this down and out. Just going to round up the cheek, coming around the mouth, come in towards the center. Now I want to pull this up towards the bottom of the ear. So I'm just going to round this out, curve this up. Let's add those pigtails along the side, starting on the left, and this out, come around, and then tuck that in. Let's go on top of the ear on the right, do the same thing, going out, and then bend that up. Now I want to go back up to the top and add some highlights across the top of the hair. So we're going to start from this point, then this across, and then down. And then from the end of this curve, we're going to go up across the top of the head, and then out. Let's add a highlight on the top left side, coming down, and then one more on the right. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the hair. Let's start from the very top, and we're going to go around those highlights. Now with the head complete, let's move down in the middle and draw the side of the neck. So we start on the left side. I'm going to angle this down and then out with a slight curve. I'm just going to flatten off the bottom with a slight curve going across the bottom. And then we'll add the collar. Starting in the center, bend this down and up towards the bottom corner of the neck. Going up towards the right. Now we want to go out towards the side. Coming around and then in towards the side of the neck. Let's go underneath the collar, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Now we'll connect the hips with a curve. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw one circle on the left, one on the right. Step down and draw it again. Now in between these circles, we're going to add a little wiggly line going across. Let's go down towards the bottom. It's going to add a little bit of texture with a wavy line. Step down and draw a shorter one across the bottom. And then from the hips, we're going to flare out the skirt, going out and then down. Go back to the left side, we draw a wavy line going across the bottom and then up towards the right. Now I'm going to go up to the top of the body and draw those puffy shoulders. Let's start on the left side and bend this up and out. Do the same thing on the right. Round at the top, then come down towards the side. Bend this down and then in towards the side of the body. Now along the inside, we're going to add a curl going up and then back down. Underneath the shoulders, we're going to bend the arms, coming down and then in towards the hips. Let's go to the center of the body, draw a straight line coming down to separate the legs, and it'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and then up towards the toes. On the left side, we're going to curl the toe going around, and then bend that in just on top of the heels. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to add a trim coming in and then down towards the bottom. Then we're going to go all the way up to the top. We're just going to angle the legs so it's wider, coming down towards the ankles. And we'll curve the edge of the sock coming in toward that center line. Let's go back and fill the inside of the shoes in black. Now we want to go back and add a dark shadow line across the bottom of the head and the arms. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lucy from the Peanuts. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.